At Rainey Chiropractic in St. Pete, we're not just about adjustments, we're about transforming lives. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain that's been with you for years or acute pain from a recent car accident, our expert chiropractors are here to help. We treat a wide range of conditions affecting your muscles, bones, joints, relieving every part of your body. If you want to learn more about how chiropractic care can improve your health, check out our latest blog post on St. Pete Chiropractic Adjustments. Visit our website today and see how Rainey Chiropractic can help you feel better, move better, and live better. Rainey Chiropractic, New York, to better health starts here.